No. Too difficult for me.
Can you say it again, Mom?
Why do you have to take a picture of it?
Oh,
you got the circle. Mom's learning to speak English.
No, she's not learning. We just wanted to hear something.
I'm gonna go to the pawn shop to buy myself a new ring.
Whoa.
Gotta stay away from the pawn shop.
Okay, now say them in a row. Say it. Say the 2 words.
Pawn. Pawn.
Michelle, did you hear a difference?
No, I didn't. Well, there really isn't. Mikey, can you hear the difference? Stand up now and show us your belly.
Yeah, you gotta do that. She's looking extra fat. More fat than she was probably about 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Here, now you need a side profile. Stand like a man.
Like that.
Yep.